This is the TukTuk. What was the TukTuk is now a CBR1000 engine grafted in with the frame. That's the frame from the CBR. All of this bit here, and then cut. New bits of metal put in. Exhaust needs a bit of settling onto this back axle, which is absolutely stunning back axle on it. Independent suspension. Look at that working. Oh my gosh. And it's remarkably small. Smaller than I thought it was going to be. Oh, we've got a seat coming on. Let me get that foam out of the way, Peter Pete. So, oh dear.
It's bigger than the.
Well, I don't know. If we go back a bit, yeah, you're not far off it.
Yeah, but I've got to see through the window that's down here.
Oh God, yeah.
Where's that still on there?
Well, get up in and have a seat and.
No. It's an F1 steering wheel.
Formula 1 steering wheel. But this one only costs £1.
Oh, she's comfy though.
I don't know. You're in
Yeah,
there.
you want to go back a little bit more.
Can't quite get back, can it? Because you're on the roll bar.
It's the bulk here.
Yeah, you can't get your legs over it.
Well, it's just.
You are, like you say, if you had one of those aluminium seats, it would be that much lower.
And like a cut hole out for that top of the engine as well.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a dirt ball, is it?
But yeah, keep it here, Pete. Just
Yeah.
you could just fathom it in the back for me to sit in with loads of straps on the bench seat. Definitely a work of art.
It'll be easy to bolt into the back. Yeah, it looks a bit big, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Formula 1 somewhere.